Hi everyone. Today we are taking a look at what types of equations make a proportional relationship. Let's go ahead and go through a couple of the different equations that we looked at and how we can determine if they form a proportional relationship or not. So we'll be examining 6 different equations, and here they are. And we will be determining which of the equations represents a proportional relationship. Remember, a proportional relationship has the same constant of proportionality and can be written as y is equal to k times the x. Let's take a look at our first example. We have our x column, our y column, and this column, which is y divided by x, this gives us our constant. So we have y is equal to 4 plus x. So if x is 3, 4 plus 3 is 7. If x is 4, 4 plus 4 equals 8. If x is 5, 4 plus 5 equals 9. And now let's check the constant of proportionality. See if we can make my line smaller. So y divided by x. So 6 divided by 2, 6 divided by 2 is 3. So our constant proportionality is 3. 7 divided by 3, 8 divided by 4 is 2. 9 divided by 5. And for these fractions, I'll show you that they'll automatically convert to a decimal on Desmos, but it really doesn't matter right now because what we're looking at is, do we have the same constant of proportionality here? And the answer is no, we don't. Because we do not have the same constant of proportionality here, then this equation is not going to be a proportional relationship. Let's go ahead and we'll fill this in. This was 7, and this was 7 divided by 3. This was 8, and this was 8 divided by 4. This was 9, and this was 9 divided by 5. So as you can see, we have filled in our table correctly. However, we notice from the constant proportionality that this is not a proportional relationship. I'm going to go ahead and move to here. And as a reminder, that y is equal to 4x means multiplication. So if we're looking at x is 2, this means that y is equal to 4 times 2. If x is 3, y is equal to 4 times 3, and so on. First, those of you who are asking about that. Here we come down to our next, and this is an example of a division. Y is equal to 4 divided by x. So if x is 2, then y is equal to 4 divided by 2, or 2. Now what's 2 divided by 2? 2 divided by 2 is 1. Now when we have our 3 here, things might get a little tricky. So let me go ahead and just type that in using our Desmos. We can write 4 divided by 3 simply as 4 divided by 3. And Desmos will do the calculation. For y divided by x, we have our y divided by our x. Our next table is similar, but let's take a look at these last two. These last two tables use the caret symbol to signify an exponent. This is the same as y is equal to 4 to the power of x. So if x is 2, y is equal to 4 to the power of 2, which is 4 times 4, which is 16. If x is 3, 4 to the power of 3 is 4 times 4 times 4. You can use your calculator to put your answer in there. For our very last one, we still use that caret symbol to show an exponent. Y is equal, and by the way, we're doing this one here. Y is equal to x raised to the power of 4. So if x was 2, y is equal to 2 raised to the power of 4, or 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16. Remember, we're looking for the column with our constant. If our column with the constant has the same constant of proportionality, then it will be a proportional relationship. So if this constant is 8 for every row, then this would be a proportional relationship. If this column, our constant proportionality was 8, then it would be a proportional relationship as well. I hope this helps.